Do you have a 1993 through 1998 Jeep Grand Cherokee, also known as the ZJ model, and the speedometer does some wonky shit like this? So if your speedometer is doing some wonky shit going all over the place, your speed sensor is probably bad. Mine has gone out. This is the second time I've replaced it in my Jeep. It has 223,000 miles, and last time I replaced it was exactly 3 years ago to the day. And I acquired these at a place where you pick a part and you pull it from the vehicle. They were like $5 a piece. I grabbed the wiring harness side. I just snipped it. Didn't have to. So I grabbed a couple of these. Underneath, it will be up on the transfer case. I'll show you in a second how it is. There's just one bolt holding it in. And this is a 7/16. So use a 7/16 socket for it. Alright, so here I am under the vehicle. Here's the transfer case. Here's a very hot exhaust, since I just went for a little drive. Ooh. Should I put that back? Place right there. I also wrapped the wire with a lot of electrical tape to keep it from rubbing too much. So you just pop off this connector, and the bolt is in the back. Yeah, I just removed the bolt in the back. But yeah, for the record, this is a MP242 transfer case. I did have a 249 in here. I swapped it to a 242, and this one was made, I think it says 1995. So there's the stamp. Anyways, I'll pull this out very carefully. Okay, I got it out, and here's the other one I'm putting in place, and they look exactly the same, just one is black and one is white. My flashlight died. Okay, so just put it in here, make sure you put it in there, turn the same direction. Might have to give it a little wiggle and turning to get to go in, and there it goes. It's in. That easy. That's how you do it. All good now. Speedometer's not jumping around anymore. Everything's all good. Alright, well, I fixed that issue with this. It's pretty simple. It's just a 7/16 bolt that you remove, and you pull the part out, the speed sensor, and then you put the new one in. But in between there, I didn't show the step of I sprayed contact cleaner on the contacts between the speed pickup sensor and the wiring harness, the three-point harness. I cleaned them very well, and I dried them with a paper towel and blew them dry, just to get any dirt, crap, whatever got in there, just to get it out of there, so I don't have to do this again soon, hopefully. 242. Thanks for watching the video. I hope this was of some help for you. If you don't have the user manual or the resources to find out how to do this, well, that's how you do it. Like, subscribe, share, comment, shoot me a message if you have any questions, if you have any feedback on how I can make these videos better, or of other things you would like to see me do in the future, I might just do them, because this thing is getting old and parts are wearing out in it, so I'm gonna end up replacing more and more in this as time goes on. Well, thanks for watching.